Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is week 4 of the meat birds. They are doing well and still growing rapidly. These birds are provided feed for 12 hours. The feed is placed in the mobile tractor around 8:30 a.m. and removed when we lock the layers up in the evening, which is around 8:30 p.m. This is to ensure that the meat birds do not eat themselves to death. The breasts on these meat birds look pretty good. I look forward to the 8th week when these birds will be fully grown and ready to be processed. So as you can see, raising meat birds is a fairly easy process and low maintenance. Just make sure the enclosure the birds are in is completely safe from predators if you have predators in your area. The first couple weeks you have to clean up behind the birds until it's time for them to go outside. If it's too cold, then they'll need to stay inside longer, which will require, more cleanup until they're ready to go out. But once they're moved out to the mobile tractor, things are much easier. You simply move the tractor to fresh grass daily or weekly. This depends on how many birds you have. At the end of 8 or 9 weeks, the birds are ready to be butchered. From there, you can smoke them, can them, or freeze them. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys are enjoying this meat bird mini-series. Feel free to post comments or ask questions and share this YouTube channel. Remember, I am from the city, so I understand that gardening and raising livestock may seem a little overwhelming. But just stay tuned and I'll show you how easy it can be.